Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous car, 1963 Nova SS. It's a real Nova SS. Got the owner here, built it from the ground up. He's going to tell us a little bit about it. How are we doing today?
They're wonderful.
Yeah, what a pretty car.
Thank you very much. I started the resto about 4 years ago and finished it up last year.
Cool.
Beginning of last year. Has everything from a tubular front end to sway bar to a big disc brake kit to power brakes to an Augustin steering box, Augustin steering column.
It's a short throw box, right?
Everything's been replaced. A Desi-Cool radiator, almost factory air conditioning in the car.
You spent a lot of time to make stuff look factory on this car.
L79 air cleaner, L79 intake manifold, Holley carburetor, the correct exhaust manifolds for the AC.
So when you look under the hood, it looks like it came out of the factory with the air.
Dual master cylinder power brakes and master power. Drop spindles, some CPP.
You got sway bar up front too, right?
Heavy duty sway bar up front. Have 17-inch soft flat wheels on it with a big disc brake kit.
They look just like the US Mags. Very, very similar. It's like a Halibran style. Are they the same size all the way around?
17s all the way around.
Okay.
Pipes exhaust system on the car, 700R transmission, overdrive, special converter.
What kind of stall you got on it?
It's a 2200 stall speed converter with a
lockup?
Corvette as a lockup, and it has Corvette clutch back in and carbon fiber.
Cool.
Special manufactured cross member for it.
You guys can see a little bit of pearl in the paint as I come around on that curve. Very cool. OEM bumpers front and rear?
OEM bumpers front and rear, Rechromed, the factory override bumper. The cast Chevrolet piece up front, that was $450 in plating because it's cast.
So you had a lot of stainless replated and repopped?
Yes, and at the same time I did the dashboard and I did the rear of the car also with everything that was cast I had done.
They don't make these parts anymore.
No, they don't make it.
Like, I don't think Classic Industries makes anything for this thing. I mean, the box Nova, but not the convertible with all the trim and everything.
You noticed on the top also that was a Mercedes-Benz top on the car.
Yeah, that's a cloth top, all brand new.
OEM antenna. I have the OEM radio, but I also have a fitting AM/FM cassette, CD.
Oh, cool. Oh, what's in it? Vintage.
AM/FM 8-track. Are you gonna edit this thing?
No.
It has a ShiftWorks shifter that makes it look just like the factory Power Glide, but however, it is a 4-speed automatic.
Very cool. 700R4.
700R4. That gauge is where it built. The tach was added. The factory tach was added. The chrome around the gauge pack was redone. All the chrome and stainless on the dashboard has been redone along with
that
paint.
air looks factory, right?
Yep, air looks
so
factory.
Cool.
Made it look like a factory. Even went to the extra expense and put the factory compressor in the car.
Wow. You spent a lot of hard work, detail, just to make it look like it came out of the factory. Not all hooked up. Brand new door panels, right?
Yep.
Cool. Let's check it under the hood. You see that pearl in there? The camera picks it up really nice. Steering wheel original, or is that one of those shortened ones? Original size, right?
Yeah, original size, original steering wheel. Has a Super Sport emblem in the middle, which you never ever see. You never see 63 Super Sports.
Yeah. I think they only made the SSS in convertible, right?
They made them in 63 only in convertible.
Man, look at that. Right down to the air cleaner. Looks like it came right out of the factory. Got the L78 fuel line, like Corvette line coming up there.
L78 intake manifold.
See the little star right there? A little snowflake? What kind of carb we got on here?
That's a 650 Holley carburetor that's new. I also have a Augustin box down there that's over $1,000, and a power steering goes into the box. This power steering used to go into a slave in the front suspension, so all that was changed along the board.
Looks like a S10 power steering?
No, it's a factory.
It's factory?
Yeah.
Very
Brackets for the power steering are factory.
Very cool.
The pulley's a factory. Fan shroud.
Oh wow, cool. This radiator's pretty different.
It's
Looks
a Desi-Cool Harrison
That's
radiator.
a real deal Harrison.
Real deal Harrison.
Wow, very cool. I like how you brought the line down on the condenser there. It looks like factory.
There's also an OEM wiring harness in the car. This is all brand new, the wiring harness in it.
Wires are all brand new.
Along with the rebuilt alternator, a brand new regulator, and there's an amp shunt that goes low power to the amp gauge.
Very cool.
New heater core, new blower motor in the car.
Trim tag. Very cool.
Pertronix electronic ignition, that looks original. But no points in here.
So I'm guessing you got a couple receipts.
I got a few receipts. I have,
How much you got in this
I got
thing?
probably close to $15,000 in receipts.
Just in receipts. Good lord. Well, let's fire it up, man. Everyone's dying to hear it.
Okay. Pause for a second.
Pause. So tell me about the engine build.
The motor is completely built. It's a 9-to-1 motor, so it will take regular gasoline. There's a competition camshaft in it for bottom end, competition valve job, screwed in studs, roll tip rockets, and it's what they call Rhodes lifters. Dual exhaust pipes 2.5 inches to the rear of the car.
Sounds good.
It has a crossover pipe for increasing torque.
A nice sound to it. You know those pipes are cheap. You could have put Flowmasters on here, but that's cutting corners. You can tell you're not a corner cutter. Man, that sounds good. Rev it up a little. Let me hear it. Woo! Sounds real nice. Can we buzz it around a little bit? Let's go for a little ride. Nice day to have the top down too. Man, this dash is gleaming. So nice. Is it a manual valve body?
No. At the same time though.
No. Yeah, just make a left out here. Get the sway bar front and rear?
Front sway bar.
Just front.
Right, with tubular control arms.
Oh, that's nice. Too, you know?
Very smooth, isn't it? It's surprisingly smooth. And rattle free.
Yeah, no rattles.
It's rare for a converter, especially older.
Sure. Rarely see these 63s around. Especially nicely resto-modded like this. I like when people resto-mod them back to kind of original. That's exactly what you did here.
Have the owner's manual and everything else in the glove box too.
Tons of receipts and all that.
Tons of receipts, owner's manual. Instructions as far as how to install the distributor, how to install with anything type of structure that came with the shifter and everything else.
Great.
I'll have all the instructions and the manuals that go with it. A New York buy would even get 63 license plates for the car also.
Oh, perfect. Black plates.
With the tag.
It's a nice ride, you know? Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a shout at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website, weebyautos.com. Thanks again for showing us your car. It's awesome.